Hi, I'm going to explain you about the solving simultaneous equations using matrices. I'm Ishadli Ratunga. So thank you very much for joining. Well, simultaneous equations of three variables, if we say x, y, z are the unknowns, by using matrices we can solve them out. So normally traditional way is actually we can do either elimination or substitution method, but that's normally for three things, but in matrices we can use for high order things 4 by 4, 5 by 5, etc., because the methodology is same. So the main steps we can explain as, first of all we'll have to find the determinant. If it is not equal, then we have an answer, but if it is equal, then there is no answer. Then finding the adjoint of the matrix. So it has three sub steps actually. First of all you have to find the cofactor, then change sign, then you have to find the transpose. Those are the three sub steps. Then the last one is actually find the inverse. You'll have to multiply that by the reciprocal of the determinant into inverse of the into adjoint of the matrix. So that is the basic way, but there are a lot of jargon words. So first of all we'll try to solve them out, understand what they are. First step is write the simultaneous equation in the form of a matrix. We know we can write it actually mx equals k. If we can take the x to this way, if we can take m minus m inverse x equals m inverse to the 1 and m to the power minus 1 into k. So this is what we want to write it. So first of all, after writing that one, what we have to do is find the determinant of the matrix. Okay, determinant of a matrix should not be 0. As I told you, finding determinant is bit tricky, but there are a lot of arithmetic pluses, minus and multiplication, all the things are there. So but it is simple, a b c d e f. If it's a 9 element matrix is there, a will have to multiply by the other two, no, not in the row or not in the column we are considering. If we are multiplying by a, e, f and h I, similarly then plus minus plus. So then the next one is b, d, d, f, g, I. So we have to take that one. So this is the way of explaining that. But if there are a lot of a, B, C, D letters, if it is difficult for you to understand, I'll straight away go for our example. M is 3, 1 minus 1. So this is the expression. 3 multiplied by minus 1 into 1 minus 2 into 1. So that is the thing. Finally it will come to minus 17. So this is the determinant. Okay, the first step is finished, and the second step also we have done. So the third one, find the adjoint. So this is the most crucial part, but it's very straightforward. First of all you have to find the cofactor, second change the sign, then third transpose. Okay, this is the way to do. This is the cofactor, same thing we are taking. You can remember the way we found used for finding the determinant, but now for this cofactor what we have to do is, without multiplying by a, you have to take e, f, h, I. So after that you have to simplify this one as a kind of a determinant. So 9 element determinant 2 by 2. So you have to take that one. So but after solving that one, you have to put these signs. Whatever the signature sign it comes, you have to multiply by these things. So minus and pluses are there. So it's like a cross kind of mark is there. So after this one, still there is one thing, you have to find the transpose. Transpose is very easy actually. You remember actually, if it is 1 2 3 4 5 9 4 5 6 7 8 9, that column is 1 5 9, around that one you have to transpose. No sign change or anything, we have already done. So once you do this one, we will get the adjoint of the matrix. It's minus 4 minus 3 minus 1 1 5 4 6 minus 4 minus 7. So you can find that one. Then you have to multiply that adjoint with the reciprocal of the determinant. So m to the minus 1 equals 1 into determinant m multiply by adjoint m. So then you will get an answer. But my advice is, you do not try to simplify at this moment. For the next one actually, x, y, z, you can multiply by I, and it will be to the other side actually. It has to multiply by k. So it's a 3 by 3 and 3 by 1 with a multiplication of a scalar multiplication, so that you can get an answer like x by z 1 5 3. So finally you will have to express the answer in this way. So that is a bit for the first time you will find it's bit difficult, but it's a very straightforward one. You can practice them. Once you practice it, it's very simple.